Hello, this is Joseph McKellar, RN, with Spring Arbor University. Class is Quality Leadership, and today we're going to talk about SWOT analysis and increased patient satisfaction. Today's world is getting smaller. Advancements in technology have allowed people to become more connected with all facets of their lives, especially with their health care. And people want to be more involved with their health choices and have greater expectations on decisions with their health. Primary care offices are facilities that see patients for typically non-emergent needs, and these sites realize how involved patients can be in their care and in fact encourage patients and family members to be active members in their healthcare choices. Now today we're going to be looking at a SWOT analysis for a primary care site where we have seen an issue. The issue, the 72-hour turnaround time issue regarding Medicare refill requests and lab diagnostic results. So we're going to try to increase the patient satisfaction, and in an attempt to do that, we need to rectify the situation. So how do we fix our problem? Well, first we have to do two things. We have to create a mission and a vision statement. And these are important because they give the organization a purpose, goals, and a way of conducting their affairs within the organization and the community. And it provides the foundation for the organization's identity and purpose and helps focus the efforts of everyone involved to work toward the same goal while informing the public of its reason for existence. Now, for us, our mission statement is going to be to improve the patient's satisfaction through completion of medication refills and result reporting within 72 hours. Now that we've completed our mission statement, it's time to look at our vision statement. And what is that? A vision statement is like looking into the possible future of the organization and where it wants to be interiorly and exteriorly. It's like a guide. A vision statement looks to the future and outlines the accomplishments an organization hopes to achieve, and in our case, is to be the office where patients are confident their needs will be met. So now that we've got our mission and our vision statement, let's look at the SWOT analysis itself. What is it? It's a way of challenging a process or procedure where the results have not been positive for the organization or consumer. The analysis looks for reasons why a process is not working and how that process can be changed to meet the goal set by the organization. And by defining the internal strengths and weaknesses of an organization, and then by considering them against the external threats and opportunities in the market, a company can develop measurable goals for advancement. So now on to the SWOT analysis itself. We're going to break this down into its four major parts: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Now under our strengths, we do have direct involvement with our patients through telephone conversations and face-to-face conversations. We're generally well liked. We do get good overall satisfaction scores, and we do offer an online charting system that does release their results in 72 hours. The weaknesses, though, is that we really don't have the staffing to manage the refill line. So we're not meeting that 72-hour policy, as well as we get a lot of duplications. Patients call in multiple times for the same medication, which then we have to try to sift through all those calls to try to keep up on our refill line. And not everybody uses our online charting system. Opportunities we have, well, we could use some resource MAs, we could form care teams within our office, and we could request greater use of the online charting system by our patients. Some of our threats we got to watch out for: competition between other systems, other hospital systems, and then we might have issues with the online charting system itself. So now that we've done our SWOT analysis, now it's time for us to come up with our AIM statement. And the AIM statement guides our work by establishing what success looks like. It's a clear, explicit summary of what your team hopes to achieve over a specific amount of time, including the magnitude of change you're going to achieve. So for us, as you can see, our AIM statement is broken down into four different areas: goal, benefactor, timeline, and outcome. So for us, our AIM statement is by December 1st, 2019, our office will consistently be reporting lab diagnostic results and completing medication refill requests within a 72-hour time frame. And lastly, now that we've done our AIM statement, the goal is to be how we're going to accomplish this. Well, first of all, we have to know about our stakeholders. We have to be engaged with them. And stakeholder engagement is the practice of interacting with and influencing project stakeholders to the overall benefit of the project and its advocates. For us, our stakeholders are patients, families, and staff. And so our structure is going to be to use face-to-face conversations and the telephone to interact with our patients and the staff members. In our process, well, the registered nurse is going to perform daily checks with the results in basket in the computer system and the refill line, and then also do daily check-ins with the staff to see how things are going. So, in conclusion, when problems in the workplace or in life in general occur, having a system in place to find solutions is crucial. An excellent system for problem solving is the SWOT analysis as defined in this presentation, and it's a great way to see the present situation and realize what strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats surround the problem. From there, a solution can be found and tested for appropriateness. Thank you.